Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kristi. I'm currently following the WW Blue program, but on my channel I provide the points for all three programs and I also share calories as well, and I'd love to have you as part of the family. For this week I'm just giving you the grocery haul without the meal plan because honestly I don't even have the meal plan done, and I am going to put something together. It's going to be very basic stuff for next week. I'm not going to be doing a meal prep this weekend because we're going to have our grandson again. He's going to be coming. My son and daughter-in-law are working, and then my daughter who lives in Clearwater is going to be coming to visit this weekend as well. So I will more than likely not be meal prepping. So I will let you know what I have on the plan for breakfast and lunch next week, though, honestly, is just those little crack and egg convenient things that you buy at the store. They are in my grocery haul. In fact, I picked some up and then decided that's what I'm going to do for meal prep for next week. So I'm going to pick up some more of those, but those are just super easy to take to work with me. They're really good. I really like them. For lunches, I have some canned chicken left in my pantry. So I'm just going to make some chicken salad again like I did a couple weeks ago. But what I'll do for you is I will put a playlist down below that is a playlist that links you to all my meal prep videos. So if you want to go catch a different video and get some ideas of what you can prep for the week, then I'll put that down below. So in addition to my grocery haul this week, I'm also going to be showing you a Grove delivery haul that I got. So if you're not familiar with Grove, let me start by saying this is not sponsored at all. I just happen to use Grove. I've used them, I've ordered from them for quite some time now. They are basically an eco-friendly company. They're like trying to get away from using plastics and things like that. You know, their products don't have all the junk in them. So I really like them for like their cleaning products, their soaps. In fact, one thing I wanted to show you that's not in the haul because I didn't need any is this soap. So I absolutely love this soap. If you have not tried this, this is Method Body, and it's just body wash. It says rose water, pink sea salt, and it's called Pure Peace. And it smells so good, but the thing I love about this is it doesn't leave that residue after, and that's what I really like about their stuff. So let me quit babbling and show you the rest of the Grove haul and then show you my grocery haul. All right, we're gonna start with my little Grove haul. So first over here, I bought these tissues. These are tree-free tissues. I got a couple boxes of those. I got these coffee filters. These are actually cheaper than the ones that I get in the store. So these are the number 4 ones that I use for my Ninja. I have a Ninja specialty coffee maker, and those require the number 4. And these are the ones that I've been using. I also bought some dishwasher detergent packs, garbage disposal pods. I got these little containers because you know how I am with meal prep type containers, so I thought those would be great to use for some things. They're actually bigger than I thought that they would be. I don't know what I was thinking. These are 8 ounces. I was thinking they were like the little mini 4-ounce ones, but that's okay. The only bad thing is I like to order things in 6 because if you watch my meal preps, you know that usually I make enough for 6. 3 for me, 3 for my husband, and they would only allow me to order up to 4. So the next time I order, I'll order probably 2 more. I also got this glass cleaner. Some people have, I've read reviews where some people don't like this glass cleaner because they say it streaks. I love this glass cleaner. To me, this is better than Windex. So if I've ever used like generic store-bought kinds, it's to me that kind streaks, but this kind, I absolutely love it. So I don't know if it just depends on the glass that you have or what, but I've never noticed any type of streaking or anything. And then these 4 things here I actually got free. They were running some type of promotion or something. That's the great thing with Grove is once in a while they'll send me an email and say, hey, you know, thank you for your commitment to us, blah, blah, blah. And here's a free gift on us. And so this month I got all 4 of these, which these 3 I actually use. I have them sitting right next to my sink. And usually I use the lemon verbena kind. But the lemon verbena kind was not one that I was able to pick for the free stuff. So this one is geranium and it smells pretty good. So I ended up getting the multi-surface everyday cleaner, the dish soap, the hand soap, and then these scrubber sponges, which I order these anyway. So it was great that these were a free gift. These are the ones that I always use for my dishes. They're walnut and cellulose scrubber sponges, and I really like those. So if you're not familiar with Grove, I'll put a link down below. You can use my link, and I think they give you like a free gift set or something like that. I'm not quite positive, but I'll put the link down below and you can go there and check them out. So I'm going to be sharing with you my Aldi and Publix haul. This was an Aldi Instacart haul as well as a Publix Instacart haul. So I ordered both at the same time, and then Publix delivered and Aldi delivered. So let me start down here and show you what I ended up with. A lot of these are regular things that I always get. So as always, I'm going to skim through the fruits and vegetables just because those are zero on most Weight Watcher programs. So if you're counting calories, make sure that you have to weigh those out. Except for corn and peas, I believe if you're on green, correct me if I'm wrong, but from what I could see, green for corn is 4 points for one of these and 2 points for like 2/3 of a cup of the peas. Yeah, 2/3 of a cup. So if you're on green, I believe corn and peas have points. And 70 calories for the peas. I also got these little baby potatoes. Of course, those are not zero. Potatoes for blue and green usually come out to about 1 point per ounce. And then if you're on purple, potatoes are zero. I also got some cauliflower, some Roma tomatoes, some Boston lettuce. I really like that. I got that the last time. Some strawberries. I got some yellow squash and some zucchini. So I ordered zucchini and yellow squash from Aldi. She said they didn't have either one. So I ended up hopping on and adding to my Publix delivery because they hadn't started shopping for that one. But then she ended up finding the zucchini. But let me move down here and show you. I'm glad because the zucchini from Publix was not very good, which is very surprising because Publix is well known for their good produce. So whoever picked that one just didn't do a good job this time. So back here is the Aldi version of like the Suddenly salad. We really like that. So I want to try this kind and see how it compares. So for this one, it's 5 points for 3/4 of a cup prepared. That doesn't count anything that you add to it. So whatever you add to this, then you would have to count extra points. And if you're counting calories, it's 180 calories as packaged. I also got some olive oil. Of course, olive oil, for those of you who count olive oil, not everybody does, 4 points for 1 tablespoon and what is it, like 120 calories for a tablespoon. I also got some sweetener. That's basically the Aldi version of Splenda. I got some Dijon mustard. I got some sweet relish. This kind is points. This says 1 point for 1 tablespoon of that kind. I think the dill, I want to say the dill relish doesn't have points. And then got some more coffee creamer. This is the Barissimo coffee, sugar-free French vanilla. For this kind, it's 0 points for 1 tablespoon or 1 point for 3 tablespoons. I got some Crinkle Cut Fries. Oh, I'm not even giving you the calories on these. Calories on this is 15 calories for 1 tablespoon, and then 15 calories for a tablespoon of the relish. For the fries, 3 points for 3 ounces, which is about 14 fries. And if you're counting calories, it's 110 calories. Also got some milk from Aldi. I got regular milk and chocolate milk, so this is 2%. And for this one, for both of them, is 3 points for half a cup. And then if you're having a whole cup, for the regular milk is 5 points for a whole cup, and for the chocolate milk is 7 points for a whole cup. Calories on the chocolate is 150. Calories on the regular milk is 130. And then I got a couple more bags of these chicken tenderloins. For this kind, 0 on blue and purple. If you're on green, you can have 3 ounces of that kind for 0. And then you can have up to 9 ounces for 1 point. And if you are counting calories, it is 80 calories for 3.5 ounces. Also got some Appleton Farms bacon. For this kind, it's 2 points for 3 slices. If you want to be real specific on your points, you can have 1 3/4 slices for 1 point. But you can only do that once a day. So when you do it the next time, you can't do that. And for calories, 80 calories for 3 slices. I also got a couple of things of eggs. Those are 0 points on blue and purple, 2 points each on green, and 70 calories. I got a couple of things. Oh, I forgot to show a couple of the vegetables here. So I also got some green onion, an avocado, and some mushrooms. And then I got this sugar-free, fat-free pudding. For this, you can have the whole container for 1 point. But obviously, whatever you add to it, if you add milk, make sure to add that. And then if you're counting calories, it is 30 calories for 1/4 of the package. And then I got these little shells. I love these. They're like 35 cents for the bag. These are 6 points for 2 ounces. I made something with those and I can't remember. I think it was like the cheeseburger taco soup. I think it was one of the recipes that's in my One Pot Meals video. I can't remember now which it was, but I really like those noodles. So that was it for Aldi, and Aldi with the tip was $71. I did have a $10 discount. It was like a retail coupon that they gave me while I was ordering. So with the tip was $71. For the Publix, I don't know how much this one was because I haven't gotten the receipt yet. So if I remember, I'll put it up on the screen. So from Publix, I got some asparagus. I got some zucchini spirals. I'm gonna try these. Usually we like the regular pasta for when we have pasta, but I do love zucchini, so I think I'm gonna give this a try. I don't like the cauliflower rice in place of regular rice. So I'm not sure if I'll like this, but I wanna give it a try. I think it might be good with baked spaghetti, so that's how I'm gonna try and do it. And then, like I said, I got some squash. Since they didn't have zucchini at Aldi, I also ordered 2 zucchini. They gave me 2 organic cucumbers. So I can go on the app and just report. I don't think I'm really going to worry about those, honestly, but I can just put on there that I got something wrong. I also got some blueberries, some broccoli, which I thought I got a great big thing. I guess I didn't. And then I also got some light sour cream. This is 1 point for 2 tablespoons or 35 calories. I also got some ground turkey breast. This is 1 point for 4 ounces on green, 0 on blue and purple. And if you're counting calories, 130 calories for 4 ounces. And then also some salmon. This is 0 on blue and purple. And on green, I think it's 6 points for 4 ounces because this is farmed. I also got some sugar-free snack pack pudding. That is 2 points per cup or 70 calories. Stocked up on some Diet Coke. I also got some Quaker Oats oatmeal, 4 points for half a cup, 0 points on purple. The 4 points is for blue or green, so 0 on purple. And if you're counting calories, 150 calories. And then I also got a couple things of coffee. So y'all know Dunkin' is my favorite. So they had that on sale, and they had the Maxwell House BOGO. I've been trying to get like really cheap kind, like a great value, but I'd like to mix it up, and I really like to have my Dunkin' once in a while. So I got everything put away and realized I don't think I touched on these. So these are little Just Crack an Egg scramble kits. The Denver ones are the ones that are the lowest points. So these, the way they are with just the kit, is 3 points on blue and purple, 4 points on green, and they're 130 calories, but you have to add an egg to them. So if you're on green, then it would end up being 6 points. You can add actually 2 eggs if you want to. So if you're on blue or purple and you want to add 2 eggs, you could. So the points, the calories, like I said, 130, but if you add an egg, then it'd be 200. You could definitely make these yourself, but again, the way they are is more about convenience. So that's it for my grocery haul this week. So I hope y'all liked this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I'm Kristi, and I'm Planning Us Healthy. You're perfect as you are.